Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip 5, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your beautiful Galaxy Z Flip 5. In today's video, I will be reviewing the UAG Plyo Pro Case. I decided to pick this up from Amazon. I was looking for some cases for the Z Flip 5. And this is one of the cases that they have available. UAG makes some of the great cases. I've been using them for years now. And why not try it out for the Flip? It says that it has built-in magnets for MagSafe. We will test that out. We'll see how that works too. But nice packaging from them. Plain and simple. It says military drop protection. Plyo. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But let's see how you get in this bad boy. Nice presentation from them. It is a two-piece case. Nice presentation from UAG. So you have the back here and you have some strips. Let's see if I can get that off. Alright, so I got it off the back. You just want to slide this in here. Make sure it's in there. And then it has adhesive back here. Here's the front. Make sure that is down there. Now it shows off the beauty of your phone and attracts fingerprints. So it does have a little brand in there, UAG. The power button and volume rockers are easy to press. It's open. A little bit. Let's see if it actually is easy to press. Okay, one thing I'm noticing is I said it was easy. The volume rockers are there, but because of how much this comes down, it's not the easiest when it's closed like this. Let's see if I open it. It's not bad, but it's not. It kind of interferes. This piece should be a little bit thinner or something there, and it might work a little bit better. That's one of the complaints. Look, I'm getting a little finger mist there, but you can, when you pick up this case, you'll notice that too. It's not a deal breaker. It does work, so it's definitely not a deal breaker. Everything lines up at the bottom there. The microphone there lines up. I mean, it's definitely, I like how, it shows off the beauty of your phone. It does not have hinge protection, so you're not, if you drop it and it lands on that hinge, you're scratching it. The front screen is easy to get to. No problem there. And it protects it too along the side. And it protects it there too, so if you drop your phone, if your screen protector doesn't go all the way down, which a lot of screen protectors don't, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful phone right there too. So that's a good thing. Opening it up, closing it, it's easy. It doesn't get in the way. It looks like it fits pretty good, which we'll test out really quick. Yeah, it definitely fits really good. It's hard to even come off. The adhesive strip does work really good. The only thing with the adhesive strips with these cases, if you like taking off your case a lot, that could become a problem. Let's see how strong this magnet is. And it's strong. I mean, look. Oh, definitely. So you can have MagSafe with this case if you're a MagSafe, fan. Maybe you are. Maybe you're coming from Apple and you want to have that MagSafe, that magnet is strong. So that's pretty cool. You can have MagSafe with this Plyo Pro. I do like that. Now, if you want to pick up this case You can get it from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. One last thing too before I say anything else, it doesn't add bulk to your phone. It's not a bulky case at all. It fits really good. It feels good in the hands, paws. It's a good case. So if you do want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.